What is a Lego table saw capable of cutting through with a plastic blade? Let's find out in this video. Let's start out nice and easy with a little bit of paper. So paper was no problem, let's try card. So it has cut through the card with a lot of difficulty and a little bit of tearing towards the end. But let's get on to the next one. Let's see what's stronger, plastic or wood. Well, we've achieved significant damage on that, but I think it's more melting its way through as opposed to cutting its way through. As you can imagine, wood's probably harder than the plastic, and the heat is just causing the plastic to melt a little bit. But now we're going to do the final test, which is plastic versus plastic. We've got a genuine Lego blade versus a non-genuine Lego brick. Let's give it a go, see who the winner is. Well, that didn't sound too great, and as I thought, it was the gear again, but this one's a little bit different. It's going to be a bit of a tricky one to get out, but we'll take a look at it in just a second. So here we have the removed gear, and there is not many teeth left on that at all. One tooth and one bent tooth left on it. So let's switch that out and go again. Right, second attempt, new gear, let's give it a go. So it sounds like we're having more issues with the gears, but I'm taking that as a Lego win. Look at the damage we've done to the non-genuine piece. I think this is a Hasbro piece. Oh, Mega Blocks. Not sure who makes that. But anyway, so the saw is still intact. The gears have failed a little bit. I am using the Metal Technic parts, axles, but unfortunately I haven't got any of the gears. Maybe it's something we should look to replace in the future, try and strengthen it, see if we can cut some different things. Also, we could even change the blade to a metal one. Let me know in the comments what you think, to whether we should do a part 2 on this video, or we should just say enough's enough. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye for now.